Introducing the ZT410 Midrange Zebra Label Printer. Built for efficiency and durability, it can print out speeds up to 14 inches per second. Maximum print width 4 inches. Today I'm going to show you how to load the labels and ribbons. Flip the lid and place the labels onto the media hanger. There's a diagram on the lid for reference. The labels should come from the top of the roll, go under the metal plate, and in between the two black halves of the media sensor. It's important to have the sensor, which is the little yellow box, underneath the label path, somewhere about 1/3 of the way across. Feed the labels out. The ribbon should be ink out to suit Zebra. The ribbon is placed on the back spool with the ribbon coming off clockwise. The ribbon goes underneath the silver roller and feeds out the front and back onto the top of the ribbon rewind spool. If you don't have a sticky tab to stick on here, you can just wind it on there a few times and it should hold. Close the head. Slide the yellow guide to the edge of the label web and press pause. This will clear any faults and do a quick calibration.